guys, here is a stock exhaust. Go ahead. I'm sure most of y'all can agree with me that that sounds like a vacuum cleaner. All right, Kyle, what you doing?
Cutting open some dang bubble wrap.
How you feeling about this exhaust?
I feel a lot better about putting this one on than I did about taking that old crappy one off.
So what was the problems with taking the old one off?
We stripped the nuts.
And how did we do that?
Power tools.
No power tools.
Okay, so...
It's 20 degrees out, the garage door is open, and we're using power tools.
Okay. So Bob, what was your game plan? You just gripped it and ripped it?
I mean, I saw it turn, and I was like, oh yeah, nah, that didn't work.
It turned.
It turned.
That thing was
nothing in there, so I could
that thing was polished. I mean, high polished. So we had to use a sawzall to cut it out. But we're here. We're out here now. So now we're unboxing or opening up this Cobb Catback. Oh. All right.
So, this is one of the first actual name brand kits I've ever ran, at least full whole kit I've ran. And I've got to say, like, I know Cobb's on the pricier side of things, but the quality on this thing is insane. We put, a full Catback on my wife's Jeep not long ago. And it was nice, don't get me wrong, it was a great kit from Flowmaster, but looking at that compared to the quality you're seeing on this is just insane right now. So, Bob, can you give us an example of what this is going to sound like when it's ready?
This is what this new exhaust is going to sound like?
Yep.
Man, that's quality right there.
It's quality sound right there. So, we'll see what happens.
All right, where are we at in the exhaust install?
All right, we got the biggest part installed right now. Next thing we got is this actual middle pipe going from the exhaust system to the actual tips of the exhaust. So we got the clamp or snake it over the actual axle in the back where the suspension is, everything else we're gonna be dealing with. So we got to look at it and make sure to stick the right end in, because there's two hangers. There's a new hanger that comes with the Cobb kit since it's 15. It doesn't have the actual hanger from factory, but the Cobb does include a hanger to attach. So we'll be throwing that on there, throwing this over, and hopefully everything goes smooth.
Bob, I need another exhaust sound. What are you thinking right now?
Hanging, if I can just get as fast as the seat shoot tomorrow.
Come on, man, we're so close. We are so close. right, right here will be the first start with the Cobb Catback exhaust. Go ahead.